Now we are going to see the revision. Lesson 3 plants. First one, choose the correct answer. First one, the tip of the leaf is, see the options, blade, apex, midrib, vines. Which one is correct? Apex. Second one, which one of the following is a primary producer? See the options, plant, animal, human, none of the above. Which one is correct? Plant. Third one, which flower blooms during winter? See the options, jasmine, tulip, December, firecracker. Which one is correct? December. Fourth one, choose the ornamental plant from the list. See the options, parthenium, mango, traveler's palm, groundnut. Which one is correct? Traveler's palm. Fifth one, which plant flowers is edible? See the options, cauliflower, potato, mint, cabbage. Which one is correct? Cauliflower. Once again I repeat, the tip of the leaf is, answer is apex. Which one of the following is a primary producer? Answer is plant. Third one, which flower blooms during winter? Answer is December. Fourth one, choose the ornamental plant from the list. Answer is traveler palm. Fifth one, which plant flower is edible? Answer is cauliflower. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, during photosynthesis, dash is produced and stored in the leaf. Photosynthesis மூலியமா leaf வந்து எதை ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைக்குது? ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணி வைக்குதுன்னா food. FOOD, food. Second one, green plants have dash pigment. Green plantல என்ன pigment இருக்கு? Green. GREN, green. GREN, green. Third one, onion is a dash part of the plant. Onion is the plant oda endha part? Stem. STEM, stem. Fourth one, the male part of the flower is dash. Flower la irukra male part enna? Stamen. STAMEN, stamen. Fifth one, an example for edible seed is dash. Edible seed ke example enna? Rice. RICE, rice. RICE, rice. Once again I repeat, during photosynthesis, dash is produced and stored in the leaf. Answer is food. Second one, green plant have dash pigment. Answer is green. Third one, onion is a dash part of a plant. Answer is stem. The male part of the flower is dash. Answer is stamen. Fifth one, an example for edible seed is dash. Answer is rice. Next, third Roman, answer the following in one or two words. First one, which is the female part of the plant? Female part of the plant is the pistil. PISTIL, pistil. PISTIL, pistil. Second one, write the names of any one of the leaf that is used as a food. நம்ம ஃபுட்டா யூஸ் பண்ணுற லீஃபோட நேம் ஒன்று கேட்குறாங்க. என்னது? கேபேஜ். CABBAGE, cabbage. CABBAGE, cabbage. Third one, which flower bud is used as spices in food? Clove. CLOVE, clove. Fourth one, what are the nutrients present in the seeds? Seedsல இருக்கிற nutrients என்னென்னா? Proteins, carbohydrates. Proteins, PROTEINS, proteins. Carbohydrates, CARBOHYDRATES, carbohydrates. 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 Fifth one, write any one of the flower that blooms in summer. சம்மர்ல பூக்கிற பூ பேர் கேட்குறாங்க. என்னது? ஜாஸ்மின். JASMINE. ஜாஸ்மின். JASMINE. Jasmine. Once again repeat. First one, which is the female part of the plant? Pistil. Second one, write the name of any one of the leaf that is used as a food. Cabbage. Third one, which flower but is used as spices in food? Clove. Fourth one, what are the nutrients present in the seeds? Proteins, carbohydrates. Fifth one, write any one of the flower that blooms in summer. Jasmine. Next one, match the following. First one, non-green plant. Which one is non-green plant? Mushroom. Second one, summer. Summer season la enna magayana poo pookudhu? Jasmine. Third one, spring. Spring season la endha poo pookudhu? Tulip. Fourth one, exotic plant. Exotic plant edu? Crotons. Fifth one, bamboo. Bamboo வந்து எந்த வகை தாவரம்? Grass. Once again I repeat. Non-green plant, mushroom. Summer, jasmine. Spring, tulip. Exotic plant, crotons. Bamboo, grass. Next Roman, answer the following. First question, write the parts of the leaf. Leaf oda parts கேக்குறாங்க. The parts of leaf are apex, vines, midrib, blade and petiole. The parts of leaf are apex, 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 VINS, vines, midrib, MADRIB, midrib, blade, 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 AND, petiole, PETIOLE, petiole. Once again, repeat the question. Write the parts of the leaf. The parts of leaf are apex, vines, midrib, blade and petiole. Second question, write the names of the exotic plants. Exotic plants oda names கேக்குறாங்க. Sarcopalm, fern, crotons, traveler's palm, boat lily, aloe vera. Sarcopalm. SAGOPALM. Sarcopalm. Fern. 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 Crotons. 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 Traveler's palm. TRAVELLERS. Travelers. PALM. Palm. Traveler's palm. Boat lily. BOAT. Boat. LILY. Lily. Boat lily. Aloe vera. ALOEVERA. Aloe vera. Once again repeat. Write the names of the exotic plants. Sarcopalm, fern, crotons, traveler palm, boat lily, aloe vera. Third one, write the names of any two underground stem plant. Underground stem plant name கேக்குறாங்க. Onion, turmeric, potato. ONION, onion. Turmeric, TURMERIC, turmeric. Potato, POTATO, potato. Once again repeat. Write the names of any two underground stem plant. Answer is onion, turmeric, potato. Okay students, I hope you all understand this revision. Thank you.